Question 1. Where has the Union Home Minister Amit Shah laid the foundation vertical bar stone of the 108 feet tall statue of Lord Shri Ram? Your option: A. Kohima, Nagaland; B. Hyderabad, Telangana; C. Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh; D. Surjakund, Haryana. Correct answer is C. Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. Where has President Draupadi Murmu unveiled the 12 feet tall statue of Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi and Gandhi Vatika? Your option: A. Lal Chowk, Jammu and Kashmir; B. Rajghat, New Delhi; C. Abhay Ghat, Ahmedabad; D. Narayan Ghat, Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Rajghat, New Delhi. Question 3. Where has the 28 feet high jet black granite statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose been installed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Your option: A. Near Red Fort; B. Near Taj Mahal; C. Near India Gate; D. Near Jantar Mantar. Correct answer is C. Near India Gate. Question 4. Where did PM Narendra Modi unveil the 30 feet high bronze statue of freedom fighter Alluri Sitaram Raju? Your option: A. East Godavari, Andhra Pradesh; B. Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh; C. Pune, Maharashtra; D. Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Correct answer is A. East Godavari, Andhra Pradesh. Question 5. Where has Defence Minister Rajnath Singh Rajput warrior Veer Durgadas Rathore? Your option: A. Jodhpur; B. Lucknow; C. Hyderabad; D. Chandigarh. Correct answer is A. Jodhpur. Question 6. Where has the Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled the 108 feet high statue of Hanumanji? Your option: A. Jaipur, Rajasthan; B. Morbi, Gujarat; C. Haridwar, Uttarakhand; D. Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Morbi, Gujarat. Question 7. India's Minister of State for External Affairs V. Muralidharan has unveiled the first statue of Mahatma Gandhi in which Indian embassy? Your option: A. Oman; B. Nepal; C. China; D. France. Correct answer is A. Oman. Question 8. In which country was the 141 feet high statue of Jesus Christ the Protector constructed? Your option: A. India; B. China; C. Japan; D. Brazil. Correct answer is D. Brazil. Question 9. Where will the world's tallest statue of Lord Buddha in sleeping posture be installed? Your option: A. Shimla; B. Bodh Gaya; C. Dehradun; D. Pathankot. Correct answer is B. Bodh Gaya. Question 10. Where has the 112-meter high statue of Lord Shiva, statue of belief, Vishwas Swarupam, been unveiled? Your option: A. in Nathadwara, Rajasthan, B. Surat, Gujarat, C. Pune, Maharashtra, D. Hyderabad, Telangana. Correct answer is A. in Nathadwara, Rajasthan. Question 11. In which state is the world's tallest Statue of Unity located? Your option: A. Maharashtra, B. Gujarat, C. Rajasthan, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Gujarat. Question 12. Where has Home Minister Amit Shah unveiled the 4 feet high Shanti Pratima statue of peace of Sri Ramanujacharya? Your option: A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Ladakh, C. Delhi, D. Chandigarh. Correct answer is A. Jammu and Kashmir. Question 13. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveil the statue of peace, the statue of Jain Acharya Vijay Vallabh Sureshwar Ji Maharaj? Your option: A. Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, B. Pali, Rajasthan, C. Surat, Gujarat, D. Ranchi, Jharkhand. Correct answer is B. Pali, Rajasthan. Question 14. Dr. B.R. Where was Ambedkar's statue of knowledge vertical bar inaugurated? Your option: A. Pathankot, Punjab, B. Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, C. Latur, Maharashtra, D. Pune, Maharashtra. Correct answer is C. Latur, Maharashtra. Question 15. Where is the Statue of Prosperity located? Your option: A. Hyderabad, B. Latur, C. Bangalore, D. Indore. Correct answer is C. Bangalore. Question 16. Where is the Statue of Equality located? Your option: A. Hyderabad, Telangana, B. Pathankot, Punjab, C. Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, D. Bangalore, Karnataka. Correct answer is A. Hyderabad, Telangana. Question 17. Where has the world's tallest, 27 feet high, Nataraja statue been installed? Your option: A. Rudraksh Convention Center, UP, B. Narendra Modi Stadium, Gujarat, C. Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi, D. Arun Jaitley Stadium, New Delhi. Correct answer is C. Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Question 18. Where has the 108 feet high statue of the great philosopher Adi Shankaracharya statue of oneness been unveiled? Your option: A. Hyderabad, Telangana, B. Aswal, Mizoram, C. Chairpulseri, Kerala, D. Omkareshwar, Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Omkareshwar, Madhya Pradesh.